FPIC Automotive Connector Fully Automated Production Line. High-speed stamping for metal terminal production. Precision tooling ensures consistent shape and performance of every metal pin. Terminal cutting pre-insertion. Precision-controlled terminal bending and riveting. Full pin insertion with real-time alignment verification. 100% electrical performance test. Advanced CCD visual inspection for dimensional accuracy, appearance, and pin alignment. High-efficiency tape reel packaging. Built to IATF 16949 standards. Tested for durability with up to 96-hour salt spray resistance.